Shwmai bawb. Hello everyone. I'm Jason Shepherd from the Learn Welsh podcast, and today I'm going to show you how to pronounce the tricky letter R in Welsh. And in English we pronounce the letter as this, R. There's no real R sound to it. It sounds almost like an A. If I say an English word, from, you can't really hear the R, can you? Little bit. If I say arson, that time it's completely silent. But in Welsh, we've got to pronounce that rolling R. I'll give you an example. Amser. Hear that little R, rolling R at the end? Amser. Or let's give you a place name. Aberystwyth. Aberystwyth. You can hear the R. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. And I know if your first language is English, you don't speak any other languages perhaps, you're going to find this tricky. But a little bit of practice and you'll be fine. Well, actually, before I show you how to pronounce it, let me give you an example. So when I was a child, we used to play games with our friends, didn't we? When we were children. And we would do something like we pretend we were in a plane. We pretend that we were, I don't know, shooting people with our guns in the war. Yeah. And we'd also pretend to drive vehicles, such as a car.
I've been driving in my car.
Got to do the actions. But we'd also do that sound of a motorbike revving. If we're riding a motorbike, this sound. And that is the sound that we need. That sound that you probably did as a child. We need that sound, or a small amount of it, for saying the letter R in Welsh. If you remember how to do that, fantastic. You've passed the test. You can now speak the letter R in Welsh. But for those of you that can't, let me show you where to put your tongue and how to pronounce that word. So the tongue goes just at the beginning of the roof of my mouth. There's a little ridge there, just up above from the teeth. Okay? Now, I'm going to say the letter R, that R sound, R, but I'm going to blow slightly while I say it. R, R, R. Now, you're also going to make a little rolling, like a little movement on the front of your tongue. Like rrr, rrr. Okay, so as you blow that air through, you need a little trill at the front here. Rrr, rrr, rrr. Okay, hard to do, I know, but just put that tongue on the ridge. Blow, say that R sound, and try and really blow like a R. Rrr. Okay? Rrr. Let me tell you that what we do is we shorten it. We do a little one. Rrr. Rrr. And that's all we need for the Welsh word. I'll give you an example. Prynhawn da. Prynhawn da. See the slight R after the P? Prynhawn da. Or let me give you another one. I come originally from Swansea. Abertawe. Abertawe. I'll just say the Aber bit. Aber. Aber. Just a slight little bit of an R. So start with the R and then shorten it. R. R. And that is the letter R in Welsh. Prynhawn da, good afternoon. Amser, time. So hopefully you will sound more like this. R. R. And less like this. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson. And if you like it, why not give us a thumbs up? If you'd like to subscribe, click the button on the right-hand side that says subscribe and the bell next to it so that you'll get notified for every one of my videos. Also, if you like what we do here and you'd like to support us, why not go to my Patreon page? Prices start at $1 for a month. You can cancel any time. And the great thing about Patreon is I'm able to give you some really good extra materials as a thank you for helping and supporting the Learn Welsh podcast. So the web address is patreon.com/learnwelsh. Okay, well, it's time for me to go, and I'm going to say a very big goodbye today. Hwyl fawr!